What's up guys, it's Sunday 28th of January and I am here in my own backyard. One of the things I told myself that I have to do is do a backflip off the ground before I turn 30. I bought this trampoline last year and I've been practicing my flips on it and I'm sort of semi-comfortable doing a backflip, but I've never actually tried it on the ground. So everything's set up. I got mattresses, little mattresses on the ground, and I've been pretty scared to do this last couple of weekends, but you know, if I keep waiting, it's never gonna happen, so I just have to go and do it. Alright, bucket list before I turn 30.
Is that the first time you do it?
Yeah.
First time?
That was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, happy guy. Happy guy.
Alright, I did it. First backflip. Now, watching the footage, I noticed when I flipped, I went on the blue, which is too far back. I need to land on the green. So, why stop there? Might as well go for my second one.
I don't know.
What do you do? Why does this always happen to me? Always happens to the second time. I knew I should have stopped, but no, gotta keep going, gotta do one more. Gotta get to the other cushion, he says. On the way to the medical center now just to get this checked up. So my sister's kind enough to drive me.
It's disgusting.
But yeah, I snapped it back together and it's straight and I could move it, so I'm just trying to reduce the swelling. So I'm gonna try to get some painkillers or something, got it iced up, so keep it elevated, should be okay. With backflips, you never overflip. You always underflip, and with that last one, I didn't make it because I gave up halfway. And then I didn't keep turning, so. But at least I did my very first flip on the ground, so that's a tick for the bucket list before 30. And also, I dislocated pinky before 30. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that, because I surely didn't. But as always, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the second part of my backflip tutorials.